I'm going to teach you how to automate Discord messages with Zapier on desktop. We'll build a simple automation that sends a message to a Discord channel whenever something happens in another app. To start, open your browser and head to zapier.com, then log into your Zapier account. Once you're in, click the Create button and select Zap. A Zap is just an automation made of two parts, a trigger, which starts the workflow, and an action, which is what Zapier does in response. In the trigger section, use the search bar to pick the app that should kick things off. This could be something like Google Sheets, Gmail, or Typeform. After selecting the app, choose the specific trigger event that makes sense for your workflow. For example, a new spreadsheet row or a new form submission. Click Continue, then connect the account for that trigger app. Zapier will guide you through secure authorization, and once connected, click Test Trigger to pull in sample data. If you don't see any samples, add a quick test item in your source app and try again. This gives you real fields to map later. Next, click Add Action to define what happens in Discord. Search for and select Discord as the action app, then choose the action event called Send Channel Message. Click Continue. Now click Sign in to Discord and authorize Zapier to access your server. You'll need permission to authorize apps and to send messages to the chosen channel. Once authorized, select the Discord server from the dropdown, then pick the specific channel where you want the message to appear. In the message text box, type the content you want sent. This is where the automation gets powerful. Use the Insert Data options to map fields from your trigger, like names, subjects, or responses, so each message is personalized and dynamic. Keep the text clear and be cautious with mentions. Only include tags like @everyone if they're truly necessary. Before going live, click Test Step to send a test message to Discord. Keep your Discord app open to confirm it appears in the right channel and looks the way you expect. If anything seems off, adjust your message formatting or field mapping and test again. When everything looks good, click Publish to turn your Zap on. From now on, whenever your trigger event happens, Zapier will automatically post to the selected Discord channel, hands-free. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.